A common problem we often deal when we try to grow rosemary plants in containers is the brown leaf tips problem. This can arise either by overwatering or underwatering. Rosemary is a woody evergreen Mediterranean herb. It can tolerate drought but is sensitive to overwatering. As you grow rosemary in pots, their 70% growth will depend on the type of soil we are providing. So choosing a proper structural soil mix for rosemary will prevent the plant from getting overwatered as well as will improve the growth of the plant. So in this video, I'm going to share a potting soil recipe that you can use to grow rosemary in the container. So let's begin. Rosemary prefers sandy loam soil. So based on its requirements, here is a potting soil recipe that you can try out. First, adding a part of loam soil. I have collected this soil from an agricultural field. It is sun-dried and unfortunately, there is a bit of rice hull mixed with it. For the sandy texture of the soil, here I am adding a half part of fine sand. These are white sand that is used for construction. Also adding 1/3 part of coarse sand. These are river sand and the grain size is approximately 1 to 2 millimeter. Now here, you can use a part of perlite or horticultural sands instead of using different sized sands. But since this plant naturally grows in sandy loam soil, using sand with the potting mix will give good results. Next, adding half part refined coco peat. It will improve the water holding capacity of the soil. Next, adding half part shredded rice straw. It is an organic component that will release nutrients as decomposes, as well as it will increase air circulation and improve drainage of the soil. And finally, adding half part compost. I have used vermicompost. Then mix all the ingredients thoroughly. All the product links are provided in the description box and pinned comment. I have started rosemary from stem cuttings. All the cuttings are around 2 months old and well rooted. Now gently take out the plants from the pot, then separating the plants carefully. All the cuttings have established roots, so I'm not going to prune the roots, just repot the plants and transplant them in these 4 inches plastic cups. Rosemary is dormant to winter. I am from a subtropical zone and our winter is mild. So transplantation at this point will not affect the plant that much, but the best times to repot rosemary are spring and fall. After repotting, water slowly until excess water drains out from the bottom of the pot. Make sure that the soil and root ball are completely wet after repotting, which will reduce the repotting stress. At this point, the roots become sensitive to overwatering as well as underwatering. So you have to be mindful about watering until the plants are stabilizing. So I will water next when 60% soil feels dry. I will keep these plants in a bright place for a week to acclimate to new soil. This place receives around 3 to 4 hours of bright light. So for now, I will keep the plant right here and gradually will shift the plant to a place where the plants will receive at least 4 hours of direct sun. Rosemary is a plant for full sun, but for the potted plants, 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight is sufficient. If you are interested to learn several ways to propagate rosemary plants, then check the video that is displayed on the screen. If you like this video so far, then it will be highly appreciated if you hit that like button and also support this channel by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video and we will see you in the next one. Take care.